Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with a unique twist, the ANSWK Typewriter keyboard USB wired. This keyboard brings a touch of nostalgia with its typewriter-style design, but it's packed with modern features to enhance your typing experience. Let's start with the design. The ANSWK Typewriter keyboard features a classic typewriter-style layout, complete with round keys and a slim, compact profile. The white and mint green color scheme adds a refreshing pop of color to any desk setup. But it's not just about looks, this keyboard is built to last. With durable keys that can withstand up to 10 million keystrokes, you can trust that it will stand the test of time. And thanks to its spill-resistant design, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that accidental spills won't damage your keyboard. Whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, laptop, or desktop, this keyboard has you covered. Simply plug it into any USB port and you're ready to go. And with a price tag of just $14.99, it's an affordable option for anyone in need of a reliable keyboard. But what really sets this keyboard apart is its typing experience. The membrane keys offer a comfortable and quiet typing experience, making it perfect for long typing sessions or late-night work. Plus, with dedicated multimedia keys, you can easily control your music, volume, and more without ever leaving the keyboard. So whether you're a student, gamer, or professional, the ANSWK Typewriter keyboard USB wired is a versatile and stylish option that won't break the bank. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.